It's beer time, and today we have Smoove Dark Nitro Stout.
Smoove with a V.
Yes, that's why I said smooth.
I thought it's your accent.
Well, yeah. Farm Yard Brew Company, and it's 4.5%, and apparently it is smooth as houses. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Well, it's smooth.
It's very smooth.
No, smooth.
Smooth. And smooth. It's very velvety.
Velvety.
Smooth, creamy, velvety.
Velvety.
And it's actually not overpowering with... I can taste the chocolate and...
Yeah.